Imagine investing in a top-tier motherboard only to discover a surprising limitation that could impact your entire setup. Stay tuned to uncover this unexpected downside. The ASRock Taichi AQUA is a motherboard that immediately catches the eye with its sleek, white PCB and minimalist design. Its aesthetic is not just about looks. It reflects a commitment to high performance and advanced features. But does it truly stand out among its competitors? One of its most notable features is the pioneering hybrid cooling system. This design includes individual water blocks for both the VRM and M2 components, allowing users to choose between air and water cooling methods. This flexibility ensures optimal thermal management, catering to both traditional and custom cooling enthusiasts. Another standout aspect is the rear I/O configuration, which exclusively offers USB Type-C ports, 10 in total, including 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports. This forward-thinking approach aims to streamline connectivity and future-proof the motherboard. However, it raises the question, is the industry ready to fully transition away from USB Type-A ports? In terms of performance, the Taichi AQUA supports Intel's latest Core Ultra processors and boasts a robust 28+1+2+1+1 power phase design with 110A SPS for V-Core. This setup ensures stable power delivery, crucial for high-performance computing and overclocking endeavors. For storage, the motherboard provides ample options with 6 M2 sockets, including 2 blazing M2 slots supporting PCIe Gen 5x4, and 4 Hyper M2 slots for PCIe Gen 4x4 and SATA 3. This array accommodates a variety of high-speed storage solutions catering to users with extensive storage needs. Connectivity is another strong suit. The inclusion of dual Thunderbolt 4 Type-C ports facilitates data transfer speeds up to 40 GB per second and supports multiple device connections through a single cable. Networking capabilities are equally impressive, featuring Marvell 10 GB per second and 5 GB per second LAN ports along with killer 802.11be Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth support, ensuring fast and reliable internet and device connections. Priced at a premium, the ASRock Taichi AQUA positions itself as a high-end motherboard offering advanced features and future-proofing. For those seeking cutting-edge technology and performance, it presents a compelling option. To explore the latest offers, check out the Amazon link in the description. So what are the pros and cons of choosing this motherboard? Cons: USB Type-C rear I/O. May require adapters for USB Type-A. Premium price, more expensive than other motherboards. Overkill for casual users. Advanced features may be unnecessary. Pros: advanced hybrid cooling, flexible thermal management, future-proof connectivity, USB Type-C with Thunderbolt 4, robust power design, stable performance and overclocking. High-speed storage, multiple M.2 slots with PCIe Gen 5 Gen 4. Comprehensive networking, high-speed LAN and Wi-Fi 7. If you're looking for a motherboard that combines cutting-edge features with robust performance, the ASRock Taichi AQUA is worth considering. Check out the Amazon link in the description for the latest offers. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on the video.